Well, hello civilians. Welcome back to our channel. And today we'll be talking about why you can't start a business with no money. So, let's begin. Now, in the last video, we discussed about the 5 brutal truths when you start a business with low money. But in this video, we will take it one step even further and discuss why it's almost impossible to start a business without money. Now, there are so many motivational videos on the internet that tells you weird kind of stuff such as sleep is for losers. Highly wrong. Please sleep 7 to 9 hours daily. Second is billionaire motivation. Guy in car, private jet and a hot girl in bikini. The third is power of positivity. Sheer optimistic bullshit. And the fourth one is you can start a business without money. Sheer bullshit. You see, there's no end to stupidity on YouTube or the internet. Since the platform has democratized content creation, it gives power to the common people as well as the freedom to post whatever they want. Now, this is both good and bad. Good because content creation and earning money has now been democratized. But bad because there's no moderator for the content and a lot of people are simply posting shit in the name of content creation. But out of all bad content, the worst type of content is the one where you're told that you can do whatever you want and that you're limitless. To be frank, yes, you are limitless and you can do whatever you want, but you can't ignore the brutal facts of reality. These so-called motivational videos and gurus motivate you to such an extent where you stop thinking logically and rationally. This is very counterproductive for you as you think that you're capable to do a certain task even when you lack the necessary skills, knowledge, and the mindset to do it. Having some motivation and inspiration by your side can be very beneficial if you're about to do something that's never been done before. But motivation and inspiration will only help you if you are skilled enough to do so and you have the necessary knowledge and competence. When people tell you that you can start a business with no investment, they are highly wrong. Even if someone loaned you the money, you would still need to invest your time and effort into it. Hence, a business can't be started without an investment. Even if you manage to start a business with the least amount of resources, you will have to face severe competition, and the startup phase is the most difficult phase to endure for any business. But what if no one loaned you anything and you don't have any money to start a business? Then it would be almost impossible for you to even begin, as you need to purchase few things right in the beginning just to start a business. If you have an online business, then you need a domain name, hosting services, and you also need to pay for SEO and digital marketing to give your online business a boost. On the other hand, if you have an offline business, then you need to have a physical shop where you need to pay for rent and other utility bills on a monthly basis. After a while, you would need to hire employees to manage some of your work. This means giving out salaries and wages, which is again an expense. You see, you need to pay for many things, not just to start your business, but you need to keep on paying for these things if you want to keep the business running on a daily basis. Now imagine for a second, how will you run your business if you neither have money to avail these services nor to sustain them for a while? And even if you somehow manage to start your business by some luck and magic, how will you keep it running on a regular basis? Now I will use some examples which will put an end to this debate and will give you the ultimate clarity. Now let's say that you want to play GTA 5 on your PC, but to run it smoothly you need to have either the minimum requirements or the recommended requirements. Let's assume that it demands 8 GB of RAM to run smoothly, but you only have 4 GB of RAM. Now, no matter how hard you try, the game would start, or if it starts then it will run so poorly that it will ruin the entire gaming experience. This was the case with me when I used to play GTA 4 with just 2.5 GB of RAM. Since I didn't have the money to afford a new gaming PC, I used a makeshift PC which I assembled with the help of my friends. Somehow we managed to run the game and we were getting almost about 20 frames per second, that too on the lowest settings. And to be honest, it was not a very good gaming experience to be precise. But how can you relate it to a business? Now that's a very good question and here's the answer to it. Since we were building our brand on social media by posting some posts on Instagram and videos on YouTube, we tried to edit photos and videos on our makeshift PC, but we failed badly as we were unable to do so. It happened because to do so you need a capable laptop or PC that can withstand the demands of photo or video editing. Now, when we realized that if we wanted to edit photos or videos, then we had to invest in a new PC or laptop. So we did invest in a new laptop that was capable enough to edit both photos and videos. Luckily, we had the money needed to buy the laptop. Had we lacked the resources, we would still be struggling to produce content for you and do what matters the most to us. As we are producing content, we haven't earned a single penny yet. But since we didn't have the responsibility to put food on the table, we were mentally free to pursue whatever we want. Hence, you need to consider the pressure that comes along with feeding your family and putting food on the table if you are the one who is the sole earner of your family. It is so because not everyone has the luxury of living with their parents even when you are in your mid-20s. Yes, we consider ourselves to be lucky. On the other hand, there are millions of people who want to start a business, become a rock star, become a professional athlete, follow their passion, travel the world, or simply do whatever they want to do with their life. But they fail to do so as most of them are stuck in their dead-end 9 to 5 jobs which suck their souls out of them. To start a business, you not only need money but also require the time and the right mindset to execute your plans. If you have a dead-end soul-sucking job, then you would be exhausted after a grueling 10 to 12 hour shift. So you have to consider that as well. Yes, you can work on your business as a side hustle, but if you are in direct competition with a guy who has more resources than you and he's also working on his business full time, then the odds aren't in your favor and he could easily defeat you. To sum it up, there are areas where you can't do anything if you don't have the necessary resources. Yes, motivation and inspiration will help you, but they alone won't help you to achieve success. In the end, all we would like to request you is that keep hustling, keep on educating yourself, have a very big vision for yourself. Never give up, but remain grounded in your approach as you can't start or run a business without money. If you remain grounded but keep on hustling, one day you will be successful irrespective of your circumstances. Prove everybody wrong. Be the best possible version of yourself. You have it, civilians. There you go. We gave you some motivation to pursue it further in your journey. So, that was it for today, civilians. If you really liked our content, then please like, comment, share and subscribe. Because your likes motivate us to make content just for you. And do follow us on Instagram because our community of like-minded people is growing bigger day by day. So, thanks for being with us until the end. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.